with all the state of emergency and SOE and all these things, it's not a police problem. I told the government this long ago. It's a social dysfunctional problem. Moral issue, self-value, financial issue, unemployment issue, broken homes issue, dysfunctional parent issue, or a whole heap of things, and then no social development not happening. We only have SOE and state of emergency looking for the bad boys. Who's looking for the good boys? What about the good boys that doesn't really want to be bad boy? Who is looking for them and showing them any little thing or implementing any little activities or nothing? Looking all the inner cities. Only bad boys we're looking for. Nobody down there. First thing, you hear them say peace management, them are break it down, them nobody want no more peace management. All the little people them go around and talk to the little youths them and encourage them not to be bad boys. Them no want to put no more money in that. Them want to put it in a SOE alone. So a bad boy alone them want to look for. And then the bad boy them, find the little good boys them, and turn them in a bad boy too. Call them idle, and nobody looking out for them. We in the ghetto, regular, no little sports program, no little education program, no little music program, nothing. Those things lead back to all the dysfunction in a society. People don't value life certain way anymore. And most of the man them way a bad outer road. Them know them not going away. Most bad boy, how long them last? 6 weeks, a month? The wickedest thing come boy the longest time, a dopey film. When film they know? So, all who are bad know say them not no future, but them just not value them life. Them not business. Who tell them say them are rich anyway? Nobody not done again. Where Dan name? Who name a Dan in a one come? Dan not there again. Them something they not work no more. Your name Dan. Your main suspect. Person of interest. Assault reach that. Nobody can name Dan again. So every man out the road a pow and a tabo me you just want you sell or your casket. So me I wonder if the government don't know all these billion of them are spent on the SOE. Let's do some social program. That's what we want. SOE round this up, and 6 months your whole baby are dead same way. So is this an SOE are the problem? We need to go around this to change the lifestyle and the focus and the outlook of the people. Come and see Zozo, and in the business, Zozo, boom, boom. Cause him no value life. We need to go teach them the value of life. That's the only problem that, it wasn't like the police or the soldiers not doing them job, but for them job not scare nobody from doing for them job. Cause them man they are dunce tug. You hear the word? Dunce tug. Had them we have boy, that not understand words. Them cannot communicate. Them just ignorant. We have to fix them dunce tug the head if we want to help crime in Jamaica. Can't care how you have SOE run the community, don't stop run another one day too. We have to help the young people of the country. Especially the young boys them. So all of this, it make the whole society get so rampant with the violence till it escalates in our homes now. So this is all the thing when we want to tell on the MP, on the councillor, and the prime minister, and the opposition leader. Stop wasting money on policing. Police are wicked man in Jamaica. Them have what it name? Hindi come for pre our police. Our police them around for slap we boy. You think our police them are idiot? Our police them bad, but them boy are mad. Them not have no value for their life. So no care how much of them the police them kill. You have another 100 rising. Had them we need to go diffuse and change them outlook. Had that me been doing by bringing youths, Had the hardest garrison me take people out of them and turn them in a superstar. This is what we need to do. Going on the hard garrison them, go take out these youth and turn them in a genius. Every bad man, as him start make money and him start feel like him a live comfortable. Him nobody want bad, you know. How we are life, them don't know, you know. Me know that, you know. So it's just the people, them, of it. And then now, the government kind of like when the youth, them are idiots still, you know. Because them like when them can go down there and manipulate them head and tell them some foolishness and make them do them political work. Them not like smart people in a politics, you know. Them don't like them up in parliament. But them like to go and say fundamentally and put some word where people don't know what you're saying. Yeah, so them not like when everybody understand fully the foolishness what them are trying to present. So them like when you have the idiot them down there, them can go buy vote for $5,000 and them something there in a virgin. So are we in society, if you demand them, say, listen me, that one to use the money, do you know? Take the money and give the police, and the police them can't do the job and feed them job that. Because police can't change people's life, the money can't take people's life and put them in a prison. And it's changes we need. Because you are waiting till them turn bad boy, send police, kill them or lock them up. Send police, kill them back. And them still have the element to create them. So these are the elements where we have to help get rid of the society if we want with society to grow. And with the violence and crime rate like what we have, it's not easy for Jamaica grow. Everything I got tear down. It have to change. So we have principle and moral and we grow up with sense. And everybody have that understanding. So enough of the youth, them and they get dark and them naive. And as I tell you, the internet and the cable and the Americanized foolishness, everybody turned wannabes. It's crazy. So we as Jamaican, we have to keep our focus and know what match we and when not match we. And certain behavior and our one and certain activities. And then know the government, them do more to the people than for the people. Them say we have a little growth in unemployment and really, I don't even know how much percent. How much a minimum wage now? 6,000? See it? If you check across the region of the other Caribbean, minimum wage must liquor more than that. You understand 6,000, Lord God, 7,000 that can't go to supermarket that. So at that, those things the government have to fix. Unemployment and the minimum wage. If those things now increase, the country now move. And if you not help the poor, the country can go up. So it was a great reasoning and we hope we can reason soon again. And we just want reason with the family, reason with your friend, reason with your fellow Jamaican. As we say, talk it out or walk it out. That's our motto. Just stand up for life and do the things that right. All right? Let's take a stance.